How to create Starling bank account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Starling bank account. For this, you may also use the Starling bank application that you can download from any App Store or Google Play Store. Or you may also use the web browser in order to create an account using the website. Here I am using the browser. Open any preferred browser on your device and in the search bar type in starlingbank.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Starling Bank. Here you will be able to see this apply for a bank account option at the bottom. Tap on this button. And in the next page, here you will be able to choose account. Here I am selecting personal account. You can choose the account based on your preference. Once choosing, now tap on this continue button below. Here as we are going to create a new account, so tap on this new customer and tap on continue. Here you will need to enter your first name. Enter your first name and then tap on this continue button. Here you will be asked to enter your phone number. In this text box, enter your phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code and then tap on the Start Your Application button. Once after doing that, here you will need to continue your application. Scroll down. Now in the next step, you will need to tap on this Get the App button, which will take you to App Store, and then from there you will need to download Starling Bank app. After that, you will be able to complete your application in the application. Once you are all set, you will be able to check your details and then you will be sent a debit card. You can also tap on this what you will need, and here you'll be able to see the requirements. You will need a valid photo ID such as your passport or the driving license for the verification process. Also, if you are an international student in the UK applying for an account, then you can tap on this option at the bottom, and then here you'll be able to see the documents you will be required in order to complete your application. You will need your university letter from a recognized university, and then you must be living at the address on the letter. You'll need to scroll down and fulfill all the requirements presented here. After that, you can proceed further in order to complete the application, and after doing that, you'll be able to create an account on Starling Bank. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.